Today's video is about making traffic lights with sand and chalk paint.
Very good. Okay, let me see. Very good.
Do you know
This is one.
that painting can not only done with paints but it can also be done with an eraser. Yes, in the next video I will show you how we paint with an eraser. But for this video, now we will show you how we paint with sand. So first of all, Momo traces out the traffic lights with a scoop.
What colors?
Red, yellow, green.
Very good.
So after that, he just puts glue in the circles and then puts the sand in the circles and dusts out all the extra sand from the paper. And since we didn't have yellow sand, so we used chalk paint. And for brown, he used crayons.
Red says stop.
Hmm?
Green says go.
Very good.
Yellow says
Wait.
great.
So with this, he
Right,
learns a
says
new
run
way of
away.
painting and he also learns about the traffic
Yellow
lights.
says